Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, hop into a warm shower for 5–10 minutes to soften the tan. This helps lift pigment. Use a gentle cleanser and a washcloth in circular motions. Don't scrub raw. Once done, dry a tiny patch and test 1/2 lemon or coconut oil for 1 minute to check irritation. You need to know how your skin reacts. That's why testing matters. If it stings, stop and switch to oil-based removal. Keep moving steadily, no scrubbing frenzy. Now you go deeper. Massage a thin layer of coconut or olive oil for 5–10 minutes to loosen the tan. Oil helps dissolve the product. Next, choose physical scrub, sugar, or a mild AHA chemical exfoliant. Follow product timing exactly. Work in small sections with firm, circular motions to avoid missing spots. Rinse each section and check progress. Make sure to pace yourself because repeated overexfoliation will irritate. If color persists, finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water to close pores. Pat dry, do not rub. You should apply a fragrance-free moisturizer and aloe to calm any redness. Hydration restores barrier function and prevents patchy retanning. Once done, inspect for streaks. If you find patchy zones, wait 24 hours and spot treat with oil plus a mild scrub, rather than redoing the whole body. If irritation or persistent discoloration occurs, stop and consult a professional. Skin health comes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.